You know, I'm not even gonna try and hide it. My place is a disaster today. Relax, it's Sunday. Do you guys know how difficult it is to not only live where you work, but also work where you live? Naturally, things get a little messy, a little bit out of place, and that's what it is right now. On top of all that, I've got this like digital picture frame that is usually right here, but randomly decided to stop working. I had to box that thing and send it off to New York City. Now I just got this empty ass space on my wall. Oh my god. Do you guys ever like, this is gonna be super like out there. If there's somebody out there that does this, comment down below so we can be friends. Say you got like a song lyric stuck in your head. Do you ever like, do you ever talk it out? For an example, Carly Rae Jepsen is playing in Toronto today for some like tree lighting ceremony or something like that. When I hear her name, I automatically think of Call Me Maybe. And all f***ing day to Charlie, I've been like, hey, so like, I just met you and this is kind of crazy. But here's my number and I don't know, call me maybe? I don't know. And there's another like fake arguments are another thing that I do. Look, okay, I love bad bitches. That's my f***ing problem. Yeah, I like to f***. That's my f***ing problem. What's up everybody? Today we're doing something fun. It's like something you can try at home right now. Let's do it guys. What you need first is some string, paper, like white printer paper, any sort of paper that you want to have as your canvas, and paint. So let's do it. It's a great wiener shot right there. All right, as mentioned before, you guys are gonna need some standard printer paper. I got a couple, because you can do a couple different ones. Use this little paint bowl, and we got some string. Today we're using Martha Stewart baby blue paint. Weird, I know. Who knew Martha Stewart made paint? Put a little paint in the jar. We got string about this long. Coat the string in the blue paint. Fold the piece of paper in half, okay? Take the string. You don't want to have like a lot of excess paint on there, so you just want to kind of brush it off. You're just gonna lay it down on the paper. Fold the paper on the string, pull them straight out. Open it. Ah, it sucked, man. It's sort of cool, but not as cool as I thought. We have. Oh my god, it looks like two battling dicks. We're not gonna use that. Okay, so. Hey, welcome back, Dan here. We were doing that completely wrong. Guys, I've mentioned in the past that when I do things, it's for the first time, and oftentimes there is failures, which is what this was. So I looked up what I did wrong and how to actually do this craft. We're gonna try it again here with proper techniques. I'm gonna shake that up, get the string all coated in paint now. Slowly drop that down, make a cool design. And instead of feeding out both strings at the bottom, we're only gonna feed one end, okay? Push down, like we were doing before. Push down and pull the one string out. With that, we should have. Ooh, yo, that's actually pretty nice. And it creates these really cool like flower looking. Now you wouldn't stop there. What you can do is take the string and dip it in other colors and get a different thing. So we're gonna do that with black. Shake that up. You don't wanna have too much extra paint on the string. Drop the string in a random formation. Push down on top evenly, push down with your hand hard, and pull the string out the bottom. Open it up. Bam! Yo! This is turning out so good! Look at that. Freaking nail. Do you guys see that? That should be inspirational. I messed up. I even had a painting called Battle of the Dicks, and somehow I went to this beautiful, like, trillium looking flower art. Oh my god, what a great ass craft. The cool thing though is when you fold it, you actually get a duplicated image. And from there you can also add little additions. You can paint little like centers to the flowers, add little accents or whatever. But just to show you guys a close up. By the way, here's Battle of the Dicks. They're just like, hey, I'm the man here. No, I'm the man here. This is like every bro at a bar on a Friday. It's just like, that's their mentality is, I gotta have the, anyways, this is getting too descriptive. Again, what we do is fold it in half to really coat the whole string. As we pull it out, we're gonna lightly run the string through my finger to get rid of any like clumps of paint. You put it down in any sort of design pattern that you want. Fold it, apply pressure with your hand on top, and then pull the string out the bottom here. Ready? Then when we open it, we have this. We're now gonna add blue. This blue is acrylic paint, so it's a little thicker. Lay that down, however you wanna do. Pull. Boom! So this one kind of sucked balls. That's okay. The cool thing is Every single one comes out differently. This one I'm still not happy with. So we're just gonna coat it with more colors. It's kind of like if you take a bad Instagram picture and just load it with filters. That's what we're doing now. This is the raw picture where you can see like your blemishes, your eyes a little lopsided, your cheeks a little fat, because you haven't really been on your diet that your doctor told you should be on, but you know what, f him, because I need to live too. Okay, and we're back, and see? Shake it so the string is coated. Apply pressure with your hand and pull. And just like that, the raunchy ass Instagram picture becomes beautiful. Look at that, it's still shit. What the hell? Okay, so there you guys have it. That is how you do string art with just paint and paper. Many different variants. Every single one is gonna come out differently. You have that, you have that. And it all depends on how you actually put the string down on the paper. As you can see, that's the really good one. Another thing, guys, and I'm gonna take my invisible glasses off for this one. How many of you guys are following me on Instagram? Let's sit here and have a discussion right now, okay? You guys watch me twice a week. Great, thanks. Maybe you're not subscribed. What the f? Another thing is a lot of you guys are saying you're not getting notified. Somebody on Twitter, I can't remember who it was, said what you need to do is go into your settings and like hit the bell again or something like that. I can't remember what it is, or resubscribe or something like that, and it should fix everything. If not, guys, I'm always sharing the links on my Instagram stories, which is a simple swipe up. So if you guys have not followed me over there, go over to Instagram. I literally post, it's like a daily vlog over on my Instagram every day, at Danocracy. You guys are all welcome. It's a space for everybody to come enjoy and be entertained and discuss. It's so fun. Okay, it's not that fun, but like, it'd be cool if you guys came over. I know this video is fairly simple compared to my other ones, but when you actually look at the idea is pretty simple itself as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys later.